What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. This is going to be a quick one. I'm going to show the hero cards that I picked up at Bristol ARCA and Truck Day. Ones I got in the pits, and this does not include any that I got signed, which wasn't very many. It's maybe 5 or 6. But to start off, we got Timmy Hill. We got this guy, Brendan Queen, Butterbean. It's got a bright future. We got African Squirrel, Josh Reum, which I have a ton of hero cards. Somehow I missed him, so I have some stuff for the next time. Clayton Green, Bailey Curry. There's the one for Bailey Curry. Matt Mills. I'm thinking this is a same as we got at Charlotte, maybe. Matt Mills. We got Jake Garcia, Matt Crafton. Awesome looking Planters truck. Ty Majeski, Daniel Hemrick, Jack Wood, Corey Day, which may be the same as the Charlotte card. I'd have to get it out and look. Corey LaJoy, which I didn't have that one. I didn't see Corey either. Chandler Smith, something for him to sign next time. I think this is the same. Lane Riggs, that might be the same he gave out at Bell autograph sessions as well. And then the last one was Tony Bridinger, Celsius. So quick one today. Those are the unsigned ones we got in the pits at Truck and ARCA at Bristol. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.